breeze, sweetheart. It's the breeze.
I know, but I want to hear the car. I need, like, the weather is nice, and it's humid every
Yes. At least I let you get your henna. Okay. And you got that new t-shirt as well. Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, you guys.
Henna looks really good.
Exactly.
As for Hannah is also she doesn't mean stuff.
It's not true, okay, guys. You guys know that she's doing summer camp.
She's in summer camp.
Okay, wait, guys. Wait a minute. Hold on.
I don't like doing summer camp stuff.
Okay. Hello, you guys. Welcome back. I'm really excited. We are headed to our house in Hawaii. So we just got off the plane and we rented a golf cart because why not? No.
I like her.
And we're about like a few minutes away from the house. It's like literally right up here.
We've had this house for a while.
Yeah, we just like don't really vlog coming up here. That's why you don't jump out of the golf cart. You know that.
I know. Look, my mom, my clothes are wet.
Oh my gosh. Come on. Just don't trust. So I'm gonna give you guys a little. Okay. Come on, let's turn on the lights. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of the house because you guys have actually. I don't think you guys have ever seen our house in Hawaii, but it's just the three of us because Dad has the weekend with the babies, which I don't think he's really enjoying because he does not really like the babies. But we're getting other stuff.
This is the
Okay. How about you guys do stuff? I'm gonna show them the outside and stuff. Okay. Okay. So front yard. Let me just do this. Okay. So there's over here. This is our like dining area outside. I think this is really cool as well. And we have like this outside patio area, really pretty. And back here we just have like some water and.
I swear every.
These kids are so loud. I swear. But we're gonna walk.
Where the flippin' chicken did you go? Here.
So walk in. It's like the entryway. I think it's. I love this house so much. So basically, this is the kitchen, and oh my god, this is probably stale. It's been out since the last time we were here. It's probably stale, but we'll put it in the fridge anyways. Hey, did you bring this from home, or is this from the last time we came up here?
Probably the last time. It looks like there's mold on it.
Okay, I'm gonna put the cheesecake in the fridge. So this is the kitchen. Yeah, there's like this little
I'm
wall.
gonna go back to the bathroom. Where is the bathroom? I forgot.
Oh my
god,
goodness. Emery.
It hasn't been forever since you got it.
Emery, that's the garage.
It's right.
Emery.
It's right here.
Oh my goodness, these kids. So, the kitchen, really nice. Here's our dining room, and our living room. So, this house, you guys are probably like, oh my god, did she get another vacation house? This house, was actually, this was my grandma's, old house, and when she passed away just a couple of months ago, oh yeah, we kind of modernized it. It was like modern day. This is the living room. This, I don't know what this is. This is just like a sitting area, but I think it's really cute, and I just thought, why not? This is the garage. This is, it's ugly. This is the first bedroom. Well, why don't, because you, okay, because you got your permit and you're almost about to get your license. Okay. So, Adam gets his license in about, what, 2 weeks?
No.
No? When do you?
A month until I get it.
Okay. Well, 2 weeks is about the month. So this is the first bedroom. Okay, don't argue with me.
Where did you go to school?
Okay, don't argue with me. This is the bathroom on this floor. The toilet's back there, by the way. And whoever looks out this window, you know, can just see you poop and pee. And I think that that's really amazing, and I love that window.
We forgot to buy curtains.
Yes. So this is another bedroom. And you guys are probably like wondering, why did you not put the stairs on the right side? You can ask Adam. He's the one that put it up. He's the one that put the bed up. So you can ask him.
No, it's because the girls were always complaining to me. They're like, I don't want the stairs. I don't want the stairs. I just want to fly up there. I'm like,
okay. But this is the bathroom on this floor. Well, the second bathroom. Oh, whoops! I didn't mean to shut off the lights. Whoopsie. Let me just turn the light switch back on because the lights need to be on. It's a nice house. Wait, this is the master bedroom, and we have. I love this because we have our own closet, or at least I have my own closet, and so I have a view into the garage, you know, and I also have a really nice hangout spot. So whenever I have some friends over for like coffee. Oh, did you just close the door on me, guys? Don't do that. I'm your mother. I'm your mother. I'm gonna pay your tuition. You best to be nice to me.
I actually got a scholarship, but...
I know, but I'm gonna pay, okay? I don't care.
Actually, I'm not even going to college, but I was thinking...
Well, yeah, because you're only in high school. Dumbo.
Well, yeah, that's the only thing before college.
Well,
Dumbo.
don't call your mother a Dumbo. I'm your mother. So this is another bedroom. And the girls, okay, because there's like a room without, like, there's just a plain bedroom, you know, and stuff like that. They really just choose where they sleep, which is really nice.
They also don't like make their bed. So
they don't. So this is the bathroom next to the girls, and this is the girls. This is the baby's room. So yeah. See how bad he treats me? Do you just hate your mother?
Yeah,
Probably. So this is the yard. I think this is really nice because
not a yard,
it's like a beach. We have sand in our backyard, but it's a pool. So we're probably gonna get in our swimsuits and we're gonna go swimming. Emery.
She's probably drowning in the pool.
No, Emery's upstairs. I just saw her. Emery.
Bro, why do you watch the most boring stuff? Oh, this is what I like.
Okay, she doesn't want to talk right now. She's probably just, she's tired. She's a little cranky. I'm gonna sit down.
Ew, I'm sitting next to my mom.
You see, I do so much for these kids. I gave you a bigger bedroom. I gave your room a makeover. I also had Kennedy's help, but you still hate me. Like, what
You're
gives?
just a mom.
Oh my god. I'm just a mom. I'm just the mom.
You're filming, of course they heard it, Dumbo.
Okay. I'm sick and tired of you disrespecting me, okay?
Yeah.
I'm your mother, and I'm not your homie, okay? So the next time you disrespect me, you can go up, and you can go up to your room, okay?
I don't have a room. Actually, my room's upstairs.
Do you want to sleep outside? Because I will make you sleep outside.
No, my stain, Mom. No, my stain.
I regret having a boy.
I was, sorry.
No, it's okay. Just, Emery, you're just a little cranky because of plane rides, you know, it's fine. Okay, Emery, do you want to get on your swimsuit and you can go swimming?
Yes, can I go swimming?
No.
I'm going swimming.
I'm going to go change as
Look at my
well.
phone. I'm going to go swimming in my new clothes.
I'm going to go, get changed into my new
Bro, I'm
swimsuit.
swimming backwards. I'm the best swimmer in the entire world. I love screaming. Wait, it's not screaming. It's called yelling. Adam.
So what I normally do is before I get in the pool, I just put on a hat, nice hat.
No one cares.
I do. Because I'm actually looking after my safety, sir.
Sir, I'm not a sir.
I don't care, okay? Go swimming.
I've been swimming.
Good. Because I don't want you in the house.
Okay, now I'm gonna go.
I want you in the house
Wait,
really
I
bad.
need to swimming.
I want you in the house really bad. Okay, go swimming. I'm gonna start making dinner. What do you guys want?
Pizza.
Emery, what do you want?
I'll get pizza, I guess.
No, we had pizza yesterday.
So, I don't care.
Okay.
Chicken. I got the cake before you, Emery.
I keep the door open to hear them because they're so weird.
No, Emery. I swear.
Okay, I'm not gonna ask them what they want because they are just being
If you
creepy.
make salad, I'm gonna kill your soul.
I'm not gonna make salad, okay? And you cannot kill my soul. Okay, sir. Sir. Sir.
But it's a good thread.
Oh.
No, help. I swear.
Ooh, okay, so I want to kind of make some meat tonight, but I don't know if I should make sushi. Okay, so okay, I've seen some things, like, Adam is the shy kid, like, literally in quotes, like, the shy kid. He's not the shy kid. Whenever we come on vacation, he's just shy on camera. I'm gonna make a salad if you guys don't go outside and play.
I can drive and you can't. This is a golf cart, man. I can't golf cart. I'm gonna hide this place. You can't fit in. Yeah, I can. These are filled with George. My brother's trying to kill me.
I swear, these kids just drive me crazy. They drive me insane. Okay, in the next video, I think I'm going to give away my kids. So if you want them,
Emery, you should be up for adoption right now.
hey,
We're not even in the backyard anymore.
I realize that. I can see you guys.
I can drink more than you. You can drink more than me? Mom, she drinks alcohol. No, dude. Oh, I thought you said drink. I was like,
Dinner, come on.
Oh my god, where did she go? I think she went missing. Mom, can we eat over here?
Yes, we can.
Oh, wait, were you filming that whole thing?
Yes, I was. Mr. Camera Shy.
See, I'm shy, but sometimes living with these children for years, I like a time.
Emery, come on. We're going to eat some dinner.
I'm still not gonna kill you. I'm gonna stay on the other end. I'm gonna stay on the other end, Mom. Mommy.
I didn't serve them.
Here, let's have it. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Wait, no, 1. Stop looking away.
You're looking away too, Adam.
Yeah. I'm going away. You guys are bold.
Do you guys want dessert?
Mom, yes, please, Mom. No, Mom, say my name. No. Mommy is here. Mommy, can you grab rubber? No, 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 no. Mom, give me $5 if you need no rubber.
Okay. I have some cupcakes, okay?
Oh, you don't even have to care about my life.
I brought some cupcakes from the last time.
No one cares about your life. It's stupid.
Guys, just grab your cupcakes and stop being mean to each other.
I'm gonna tell her to stop being annoying.
Emery, get out of the water. Do you
I'm
realize
going
that
to my room.
Okay.
I'm going on my phone.
I swear
Oh,
these
wait,
kids.
that's the bathroom.
Okay, Emery, I think it's time that you get into bed, okay?
Yeah, go in the baby bed where you belong.
Adam, I would not be talking if I were you. Okay?
No, I'm still in the mood. I'm not even born. Why are you staring at me? You're kind of creepy.
Good night.
No, turn the lights on, you creepy blur. I'm on my phone. Oh my god, you just made me make my bed. Punches.
Don't you dare hit your mother and go to bed.
I'm on my phone, you stupid word.
Emery.
I'm on my way. 19 hours. Country lane.
I'm gonna go make your brother shut up. Okay, shut up. You cannot sing, okay? Your singing sucks. So, if I were you, I would just fall asleep or watch TikTok, because that's all you do with your life. All you do is lay in bed and watch TikTok. Kids, get out of my room. Get out. Adam? What are you doing? Adam, you can't sing. Okay, you can't sing. I'm just going to say that right now. You cannot sing. Your singing sucks. And I'm not a supportive mother of your dreams.
I don't care. I don't like singing.
Okay.
I didn't do it to the girls in my family.
Can you please go downstairs and go back to bed?
Shut up, Emery.
Emery, come back to bed.
I'm doing push-ups on my bed.
Emery, it's late. Come on.
What?
Emery, why do you keep going into the water?
Well, I have to do one thing before we go to sleep. Hold on. Hold on. Let me get me through something else.
Okay.
I need to add the thing. Hello, Adam. See, this is what I want to do here. Okay, you see. Okay, hold on. You have done some work. Look, Adam. Look, so see, I'm gonna. Come out to me. Come to me. You're gonna chop it, but you're like, I want to chop it. This is what I want to do right now. So I'm the knife, you're the vegetable. Okay. Thank you. No, you're the vegetable. You're the vegetable. No. Yes.
You realize you're just...
You just told me that you're the vegetable. I'm the knife. Mom, is there a knife somewhere around here?
No. Go back to bed. Get in bed.
Adam's running away.
I don't really care what Adam does anymore.
You still want to buy me a car? Boom.
I'm still not buying you a car.
Can I watch TV things?
Okay, guys. Go to bed. Now.
No.
No? Emery, do you want to be grounded?
It was 1 a.m.
Do you want to be grounded? Go to bed. Emery.
And this is for what you've done.
Emery, go to bed.
Emery, I swear. Mommy, you
Guys, I think I'm going to end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is why you should always have children.
Yeah, you should always have children. And then if it's a girl my age, like, tell me her number or her snap. Oh, thank you.
Don't you have a girlfriend?
He's a boy. I don't have a girlfriend. Where did you do that information?
Okay. So basically, Adam, you're telling me that the girl that you were just dating 2 days ago, you're not dating anymore?
No, okay, so you don't get it. So our friends, like, to marry each other, to, like, date each other, and then that was, like we're not actually dating, I know.
No, I don't really believe you. I don't really believe you. But I know her name because I hired her. Oh my god. Adam, go to your room.
I'll just go read a book.
You're never gonna read a book. I know that for a
Look
fact.
Look what I have. Can you read a graphic novel? Okay, stop calling me out, Emery. I'm gonna kill you now.
This is why kids are death traps, okay? People might want kids, but they shouldn't have kids.
Mom, I'm reading a book. These are like dusty, but like
Guys,
Mom, carry me. Mom, carry me.
Okay.
No, don't carry her. Don't carry her. Oh my god.
Sheesh. Come on. Open the garage, Emery. Open the garage. We need to get out of this place. Open the garage.
Wait, Mom, are you beating us? Oh my god. What the heck is wrong with this? Mom, you're stuck in the room.
I got it up to the second floor. I got it up to the second floor.
Wait, Mom, like, stay down there, girl. Stay down there.
Okay.
Mom? Mom? Are you okay?
Mommy.
Where's Mom? Who knows where your mom is? Our mom, don't know. That's what Mom did. Every there isn't a room here. What? Wait, no, it's close to her.
Emery, meet me outside. Okay. Meet me in the front yard, okay?
Front yard?
Okay. I think that the divorce is gonna end up coming sooner if my husband sees this video. No, but tune in. We're going to court soon, so tune into that. Here, kids, I have a question for you. Do you want me and Dad to get divorced?
Honestly, Dad said no, yeah. And honestly, don't like her. But Dad without Dad, okay? Dad doesn't like me, and it's his favorite child. Yeah. like me.
He doesn't abuse you.
He doesn't abuse you.
He does not abuse you.
If he abused you, he would be in court right now.
That's true. He would.
I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying. Oh my god. Burn this heart attack. My mom is stuck on a roof. This is awesome. I don't see the radiation.
Emery, do you see me outside?
Yes, mama. Yeah, right.
I think I had a little too much Captain Crunch.
Alright, well that's the end of this video.
Yeah, that's the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up because
So leave a like if you want our mom to stay up there forever.
yes, leave a like if you want me to stay up here forever. The car, it went through the roof and then it went through the roof again.
How does that work? What is happening? I'm gonna find a way to fly. I'll be like, and I go like,
oh my god, I'm so close.
That's the end of this video.
Yeah, it's the end of this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed.
Before we end it, I'm gonna kill Emmy.
No. No.
If you guys don't see her in the next video,
No.
don't want her.
No, Emery, run. Emery, run. Here, Emery, go to Mom's bedroom. Go to Mom's bedroom, okay?
Why?
Cause I'll pick you up. Go to Mom's. Go to Mom's. Go to my bedroom.
She's gonna go up there. I'm in the backyard first. I'm in the pool. I'm trying to hide.
Oh, I see you. Oh wait, I know where you could go. Go into here, Adam. Can you just like not listen to this for a second?
Okay, I'll go in the other room.
Okay, good.
I'm in the pool right now. I'm gonna pull it away. Yes, done?
Yep. Come on, Emery, come here.
I'm dead. Bye-bye.
Excuse me? Excuse me? I was on the roof. I was happy.
Okay.
I don't want to have you children anymore. Leave me alone.
I pay the rent for this house.
That's not true.
The other day you're like, hey, well, I can't afford it, so just pay a little bit.
That's not true. I did not say that. I'm
Okay,
not.
then how do you have a million houses? Like, we have one in Utah, too, but, like, I've never seen that one, and you're like, oh, yeah.
Well, here's the thing. So I pay a lot of mortgages.
And I'm like,
Here's the thing. Okay, I pay a lot of mortgages. Okay, and the one in Utah. Did you know that Auntie's staying at that?
no,
Guess what? I'm back on the roof.
no one gives a crap.
I'm back on the roof. Ah!
Again, no
Okay, bye, guys. See you. Bye. See ya.